Hey guys, so we're at Sunset Social rooftop picnic. There we go, and it's music playing in the background, so I can't really talk. Hi Zara.
Say hey vlog. Say I'm just here being mad as shit. Nothing new here, nothing new to see. Stuff in my face.
It's good. She got to the tiny one. My sister's in town and she's gonna try the matcha drink that I've been raving about on from Starbucks, because it's sold out in Canada, so she's finally gonna try it. Hopefully she likes it. I'm low-key off the wave. You want me oil?
Yeah.
Hi, can we, what size? Actually guys, never mind, because they don't have vanilla sweet cream foam. And for this, oh there we go. They don't have vanilla sweet cream foam, so we're gonna go to a different location on a different day, because we already got something here. But yeah, she gonna try before she leaves though. But hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sade. If you're older, but again, welcome back. So it's our first official vlog since I've been back from Jamaica. Camilla's gonna pick up some stuff. Ooh,
You have cash, girl? Oh,
but that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna search the next one. Not that lucky.
Right?
Oh, but that's $5.20. God is good. God is great.
Saying you don't ever have cash.
Oh, she didn't come in. Man. Hey guys, I'm turning on the volume when I need to turn on this. Alright, Kat, you can't be crying in the video. Okay. So guys, we just got Starbucks.
It tastes more tea, like tea-ish, but it's still good. What did you taste it? It's not as sweet, but it's the cream really that makes it sweet, because once the cream's done, you know.
Yeah. It's good. So hey guys, but my sister came to town to see Kai. She's been here almost a week, yeah, almost a week now. I know y'all see little snippets when we went to Target and we went to the place with Jada, the social place, Sunset Social. Yeah. So yeah, she's leaving today.
Did you get one? Yeah, and we went to Dave & Buster's.
Right. So y'all get little montages of that, but not necessarily a vlog. I don't know, guys. Me just never, I don't know.
Tired.
Bad. I got a little motivation when I pulled out to edit this morning. I was like, okay, all right, let me get to some vlogging. But she's leaving today, so we're trying to run to the mall real quick and then to the airport. Mommy was like, if you don't have time, I'm gonna stop by and let me say hi. Say bye.
I love her. I love her.
Yeah, she's dope. So we got Starbucks. I got a caramel macchiato. Here my line, caramel macchiato. I got a caramel frap. Have you ever had a caramel macchiato?
No.
Good. That was my obsession in college, and I died down off of it. But I was still drinking now. But I got a caramel frap, and Cam got a matcha frap. I made her try the matcha drink that I was raving about. Was it yesterday? Yesterday. Out of 10, Cam, what's your review?
It's an 8.5.
Okay.
It's an 8.5,
strong.
but it's the cream that makes it, the vanilla
sweet cream foam,
whatever that is. That really makes it. But I'm a tea person, so to me it just tastes kind of tea-ish.
Yeah.
It just needs to be sweeter, the mix. But this is nice. It's not so sweet either, but I like it frozen.
Yeah. Dang, wrong place we're going to try come out, because the traffic is not stopping. But yeah, so I'm getting different people to try it so y'all can get, and a lot of y'all tried it, so I'm trying to get different so y'all can get a spectrum of opinions and stuff. So I don't drink it anymore.
She got everybody on it, then she stopped.
Right, I got everybody on it, now stop. Just because me get Clyde easily. So like when I drink something often or I eat something often, my postpartum craving, I didn't even know that was a thing, was Kit Kat. Weird.
Did you normally eat Kit Kat before?
Yeah, but not like, M&M was more my speed.
Sorry.
I used to eat Kit Kat all the time. Everybody going to the store, bring me back Kit Kat. And now, I don't want to smell it. I don't want to see it.
Really?
Yeah. So I say that to say, I'm off the matcha, not the matcha, because I do like matcha itself. So I might get this, because I tasted it and it was good. I might start getting this too. Yeah, the frap. Instead of the I think it's the chai that's throwing me off, and maybe like the oat milk. That's maybe what I'm clouded up, because you know, like you said, when you get to the bottom, like you taste the chai a little bit, or the maybe I think and that's what. Yeah. Kinda. So
like cold tea. Maybe it's ice too. Maybe I'm not for the ice. I'd rather it frozen, even though yes, it's crushed ice.
Yeah. So yeah, but y'all can still enjoy it. I'll put y'all on to something else when I find something else. For now, I was just basic with it and got a caramel frap. But yeah, Cam is leaving today. I enjoy the local company, I'm not lie, because I feel like when mommy gone, even though it wasn't much because I was working, but still some look at estrogen in the house, because when mommy gone, I just me and the man them in the house. So it was good. So
I'll be back.
Yep. I feel time forgot Canada now, really and truly.
Yes. The boys say November, so I don't know what you're doing.
Why? Listen, they got one day my friend something. Two, if they're driving, we can't do this straight, and now we definitely can be straight. We have to like plan it out where we're gonna. All right, we're stopping us. I don't think I'm stopping in Buffalo though. No shit, no thing. But I like long road trips. But the way we do it, and it was last minute and it was rushed, and it was just like it was a lot. Yeah.
And now with the baby, it's gonna be 10 times worse.
So if it's planned, and it's, you know, we have space in the vehicle, and we know, so we're gonna stop us to sleep or whatever, cool. But November, Canada, cool. Oh, I mean, I came February, so I could do November.
February is colder than November.
Yeah, true. So
January, February is colder.
If they're serious, for sure. Alright guys, Cam is leaving. Tell auntie bye.
Say bye.
Tell auntie bye. No, yeah, fast. Give auntie a kissy.
Be good.
Say auntie bye.
Bye.
Say hello guys. Now you're trying to get the camera. I should have made go on one flight. Get out of this place again.
I'm not going nowhere till January. January, I'm going to Jamaica for a while.
Nice. How long you been? I'm currently editing my Jamaica vlogs. I put up the first one, I think, yesterday. People have been botting me up in my DMs, botting me up. Y'all, I just want to come in and explain myself. I need to do, because I've been away from my channel for so long, I really need to do like an update. But really and truly, work's been kicking my butt, y'all. Work's been kicking my butt. It's the hardest year that I've ever encountered. I don't know if it's because of post baby. So if you're a teacher or working in general, was it hard going back after a baby? It's different. The kids are different. It's some kids that you just wanna, you know, it's different this year. But anyway, I am currently editing. I'm on my prep right now. I just finished I probably got 10 minutes, but every second that I have free, I'm trying to edit for y'all, because you know, I bought me up both these Jamaica vlogs. I'm trying to get them out. I'm trying to do one every day just to get them out the way, so that I could give y'all up-to-date content. But I low-key, I'm glad that I have content to post, because right now my life is like in shambles. So I need to like get myself together, so when it's time for me to post like up-to-date content, I am like, you know, together. But yeah, I apologize for giving y'all the Jamaica vlogs in September. They were from August. I posted my prep video. That's my microwave. I posted my prep video, and someone was like, really, Sade, from July? So just know I'm not just sitting on my ass not doing anything, y'all. Life's been crazy. Life been crazy, just busy, crazy. Work got me away, but I'll give y'all an update on everything later on and throughout my vlogs and everything like that. So right now I am editing, like I said, the Jamaica footage. I'm having problems with my GoPro. So I told you I did buy a GoPro, but my Final Cut Pro and the GoPro Hero 10, the videos are not compatible. So I'm trying 1,000,001 ways to get the footage off. So just know I am trying. I've been hitting a lot of roadblocks, but I am trying to get this content out to y'all. So I know y'all probably won't see this till after the Jamaica vlogs are done, but just please be patient with me. My camera is blinking, so I just wanted to come and give y'all that update, and I'll catch y'all a little bit later. Yep, I took my braids out, by the way. The hair is hairing. One of my students was like, Miss Hampton, you should wear your hair out more. I said, listen, are y'all gonna comb it for me? Because this is difficult. But anyway, I will check y'all a little later. I just wanted to come and open up the vlog because I'm here editing. I'm like, oh, let me come and explain, because when I say y'all been biting me up, I'm just like, y'all want to tussle? Do y'all want to tussle? But anyway, I'm about to make some ginger tea. I got my water, my nice little mug. I'm about to make some ginger tea, and then I'll catch y'all later. So today's Saturday, actually. Today is October 8th. Dressed, makeup is done. Y'all look at my hair. I'm so proud of my hair. Like, this is the first time I've ever put my hair in like a low bun. Y'all can't see the back, but hold on.
I went at 21st.
I don't know if y'all can see it, but
Sorry, Friday. It's
my hair. Y'all can't really see it, but it's my hair in the back. Later on, I'm gonna try to get me a ponytail. I like it. I really like it. I think I'm gonna rock this. I'm stalling because I don't want to put a wig on, and I don't know what to do with my hair. So I'm like finding different ways to like keep my hair out and do stuff with it. But anyway, going on the road. I was supposed to be at a festival right now. Jada invited me and Kai to like a festival, something. They were having something for the kids. She went before me, and then I was getting dressed. So when I texted her to send me the phone number, I texted her to send me the address of the place, and she called me like, girl, it's lame, like we leaving. So she's out eating right now with Paige. I told him to hit me up later to see what's the move, but in the meantime, I'm heading to Old Navy to try to go get clothes for Kai, because Kai really don't have much like winter clothes, and it's getting cold. So I'm gonna see what I can get, and then I need to go to Target. I basically have no winter shoes. I just have like Ugg boots, so I need to go get some like, you know, winter shoes, like cute winter shoes, maybe some sneakers or something like that. So yeah, that's the mission for today on the road. Yeah, I'm really loving my slick down ponytail, like, but it's more like a bun. It's just my hair in the back. Later on I want to go to the hair store to try to get some braiding hair. Y'all will see it, but to do like a ponytail look. But I mess with this. It's cute, it's simple, you know. Yes, but anyway, of course I'm the driver. They're in the back. Show them Kai. With the car. Say hello, Kai. Say hello, vlog. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come in and check in with y'all. So me and my mom, we went on the road for a little bit. We went to Old Navy, we went to Ross. Something spared my face. We went to Old Navy, we went to Ross, and Target. When I get back in the house, I'm gonna show you what I got. Right now, Jada couldn't decide like where we wanted to go, so, and that was kid friendly at this time of day too, because it's 5 o'clock. So we just decided that I was gonna meet her at her house. So I just pulled up actually, but I just wanted to come and give y'all an update because we didn't get to do anything with the kids. So we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit. Kai's back there. We haven't seen, I feel like I haven't seen Zara, and Jada haven't seen Kai in so long. So like, you know, we're just linking up pages there as well. And then I don't know, when I get home I'll show y'all and I'll check in with y'all. I'll show y'all what I got, and then I'll just check back in. But Kai's getting fussy a little bit. Y'all hear him? Listen. Kai? Yeah, so I'm about to go in and I'll catch y'all a little later. I can't get over this look. Like the makeup today, I felt like doing my makeup, so I did my makeup and my hair. Like, y'all don't understand. If you got 4C hair, you know why I'm hype about this little slick back bun, because I mean, granted, my hair was blown out, but still, I've never seen this style on myself and I really like it. So y'all gonna prepare to be sick of this look, because y'all gonna get it. All right, y'all, I'm home. I just want to show y'all what I got on the road as promised. So the first thing I got is this steering wheel cover. I had one of these before, but after a while it starts getting like, you know, flat. So I got a new one. The cold is coming up. It's about to be winter, and when I leave out for work in the morning, like my steering wheel is cold and it takes me a minute to like warm up. So once this is on it, I'm good to go. So I got this from Ross. Actually, I paid $9.99 for it, so check out Ross. They got it. They also got it at Burlington too. That's all I got from Ross. They didn't really have much, and I was really looking pajamas for Kai, and they didn't have that, so I just saw that and decided to get it. So moving on now to Target. We went to Target, girl. So I got these bowls for Kai. We've been introducing him to like food, but every time he never eats off the entire Gerber food thing that I get him, but I don't like to feed him and like go back into or put it down, so I'll pour from it and then I'll use the rest. I decided to get him these 3 bowls. They were $3.99. Yep, they were $3.99 from Target. Really nice. I love the colors and everything like that, so Kai can start eating some food. So whenever I go to Target, I always try to like look for different foods to have him try. So I got some different flavor Gerber food. I only got 4 because I'm trying to see what he likes and then I'll buy more of it. So I got apple, carrot, banana, and sweet potato. I've tried him with sweet potato before. He likes this one. So yeah, those are the 4 that I got, and that's all I got at Target. Well, we bought a y'all know them Revlon straighten it dryer brush thingy, like they go get your hair like blown out or whatever. So they had those in the store for $70, but online for 30 something. So we did order it online. I didn't go pick it up yet. I should have. I forgot. I probably won't pick it up until tomorrow because I don't feel like going back on the road right now. I just got in and I don't feel like doing all that, so I'm gonna go get that later, like tomorrow. Then at Old Navy, oh, I did end up getting this. I didn't know she cashed it. I thought I put it to the side. I guess I'm keeping it. I had put it back, but I guess I'm getting it. So I got Kai this pajama. My mom is not for it, but it's Halloween, and just like, you know, just for the spirits of it, it's nothing deeper than it is. It's just Halloween, so it's just a skeletal PJs. Just season. It's just for the season. I got him some onesies as well. These are just long sleeve because, you know, it's cold, so when he's in the house he can actually have long sleeve, because Kai has a lot of summer clothes, so I'm just trying to buy him stuff. And I think that's all I got for Kai at Old Navy. For myself, they had these jeans for $18. I got this one. It's just a regular black pair of jeans. I got it in a size 16. It's their high-rise super skinny jeans. I got it in a 16. It was $18. It was on sale just for today, and I was like, let me get it because I can wear it to work. Like, they don't want us to wear jeans and stuff like that, but if I feel like if it's black, it don't give jeans, it give like a black pants. So I bought it really to wear to work. So that, because I don't know, it's a struggle to find work pants that actually not fit, but like work pants that's my length, because I bought a whole bunch of work clothes from Fashion Nova and they're just sitting in my closet because the pants are so long. So I didn't get to wear those to work yet because they're so long, and I need to get them tailored. The person that usually tailors them for me is really busy right now, so I'm just waiting. And then the final thing that I got is this jacket from Old Navy. They had an extra large and had a large. Both of them fit. The large obviously was a little bit more snug. I really love how the large look, but then I put it into perspective to say, like, it's about to get real cold, and the extra large I can actually button it up and like feel warm and stuff like that. So I got it, and it was 50% off. The regular price, does this one not have a tag? I think the regular price for this was $80, but I got it for $40. I'm gonna try it on for y'all because I think it's so cute. I think it's so cute. So here's the jacket, y'all. It's so cute. This is the extra large. The large was a little bit more snug, and I don't think the large I could actually like button it up, so I got the extra large because obviously I'll be wearing clothes underneath. It's the winter time. I'm not gonna want to feel like snugging and everything like that. So yeah, I like it. I love the colors. Definitely, the colors definitely me. Yeah, it's giving. I like it, and it's warm too, and it's not too puffy. But yeah. So that's all I got on the road. Not much. It was just a quick run. Gearing up for the winter. Like, one thing about me, I do not like the cold. It messes with my mood. It messes with my bones. It messes with my mood. I don't like winter. And winter with a baby now, child. Crazy. But anyway, y'all, I'm really liking my hair. Like, you, that thing's not the first time. Well, it's the first time like I've had a slick back. But you know, things that are first time you ever do. But yeah, that's it for the night. I'm just gonna wind down, go take my makeup off. Kai is sleeping. Just go take my makeup off and relax and probably catch a film or something. Sweets is at work, so probably just wait for him. He's coming in a couple of hours, so probably just go watch some Netflix until he gets in and chill and cuddle up with Kai, because you know it's cuddle weather for sure. So I'll catch y'all in the morning. Peace. Hey y'all, what's up? Good morning. Today's Sunday. Well, not even morning, good afternoon. It's 2 o'clock. I'm heading to Target right now. Yesterday I told y'all that I had got that the hair dryer brush thingy, so I'm going to pick that up. It was ready since yesterday, so I'm gonna go get it right now. And then I'm about to get some coffee at Starbucks or something. Guys, you remember this that I showed y'all for my steering wheel, right? Why it don't fit? And now you're probably thinking like, girl, why didn't you don't you know your steering wheel measurement, whatever? But it definitely looked like it could fit. I think it's just real snugged. I'm gonna try to get Sweets to try it for me because it's almost on. I just need to, you know, maneuver it a little bit. There's a glare right here, but ignore it. But I wanted to talk to you about something. So a couple days ago I saw on Instagram this lady, it's a podcast, and she was talking about how she regrets motherhood. Matter of fact, I'm gonna screen record it and I'm gonna put it here so I can watch it.
The fact that I regret motherhood, like it's not something that it's not a role that I enjoy. It's a role that I do a damn good job at. I feel like I'm an incredible mother. I'm super tapped in with my kids. She has everything that she needs. I love her, but if I could go back in time and like not literally fucking be responsible for the way another human being turns out that I'm constantly responsible for, abso-fucking-lutely, like I would hit refresh on it. Like it's like I don't like regret Nyla, my daughter. I regret the role.
But let me know your opinion in the comment section. I'm gonna share mine though. I just wanted to give my 2 cents on that video. I did put it on my Instagram story to get like what people were thinking, just to get different people's perspective of the video. And I had some people agreeing. I had some people are saying that she needs therapy. I had some people saying like she felt like she made a sacrifice, like she felt like she had to settle, and all of these things, you know, various different opinions. My little 2 cents on it is, first, I feel like that video to some came as a shocker just because one, you have to be a mother to understand. And I feel like if I've never been a mom before, like this is my first time being a mom, so with that, maybe without having a kid, I'll probably be looking at video like, dang, like what? But now I definitely understand. But before I even get into that, I do want to say, I feel like when it comes to motherhood, it's just this image of motherhood just seems like it's peaches and cream. Like it's once your baby come out and you see your baby, you're so in love, and nothing is just perfect. And I didn't understand motherhood until obviously I became a mom 6 months ago. So my little 2 cents on it is I definitely empathize with her. I understand what she is saying. She's saying I don't think any my lips look real chappy, and I don't got my lip gloss, so sorry y'all, but I don't think so. She did say she does not regret her kid. So yeah, so she said she don't regret her kid. I don't think no mom really do regret their kids. She regrets the process. Now the process is difficult. Now if you know my story, I was only pregnant, well, I only found out I was pregnant at 7 months, and then so I was really pregnant in my head, like knowingly, for 10 weeks. Like literally on that 10th week I gave birth. So, and within that, like the last couple of weeks during pregnancy, it was very difficult, like but I also found the joy in it. Like I'm the type of person, I'm gonna find the positive in whatever, and that's just what I need to, like, you know, do life. So yeah, so she was just like, you know, she regrets the process, and I don't know what that looks like for her. I did say I'm gonna go ahead and listen to the whole podcast. Now I have been listening to that podcast a while back, like long, maybe last year or at the beginning of the year. I was telling y'all that I found that podcast. It's called Good good moms, bad choices, or something like that. But yeah, I've been listening to them, but I did not listen to the episode yet, so I am gonna go and listen to the episode. Because one thing about social media, they're just gonna take the snippet of it and post, and people are just gonna react to that and not hearing the full story. So like I said, I definitely empathize with what she's saying. Motherhood is very difficult. The hardest part for me has been me. Prior to being a mom, I was very selfish, but not selfish in like, oh my gosh, she's so selfish. Like, you know, I love being by myself. I'm an introvert at core, like at heart. Like, I love being by myself. I love having time to myself. I love just being in my own space and all of that. I'm used to not having people just like all up in my face, like, you know what I'm saying? So that was the biggest transition for me as a mom, because obviously when you become a mom, your duties change. So now my core is all about my son. Everything that I think about Kai is a factor in that. So even now, I can't just get up and go. Like, I'm the type of person, I can stall the whole day. I can procrastinate if I want to, and then I'll just get up and go do something. Now I have to make sure that I'm doing something within a specific time. I'm basically working off of Kai's schedule now, and it's difficult. I feel like that's the most difficult thing, and lack of sleep and lack of sleep for me. And I feel like, let me put it into perspective for you. She was saying that the anxiety that comes with it as well, and that's real, because think about it. Let me give you an example. So let's say my mom took Kai for the night, and he's gonna sleep in her bed to like give me time to sleep. I'm still not sleeping because I am on edge. Like, my body is so used to reacting and thinking about this kid is he okay? Like, oh, I hear a sound, I'm wondering, is that him or whatever. So like, I feel like you never, like, in the 6 months, I've never slept just like, unless my body is exhausted and tired. But even then, I'll wake up thinking about Kai. If I have to make any moves, I'm thinking about Kai. Before I go shower, I make sure Kai got his back. Like, it's so much things that now as a mom, that I have to think about that I never had to think about. And I know, like, the people will say, oh, well, if he wasn't ready, da da da. Now, somebody on my Instagram did say that the lady wasn't prepared mentally. I don't think there is anything on this earth that can prepare you mentally for motherhood. I feel like if you're not a first-time mom, I'm specifically speaking from the perspective of a first-time mom, because clearly it's my first time, so I don't know what to expect. And as much as I wanted this, like, there was nothing in this world that could prepare me mentally. Nothing. I don't think so. I don't think it's about mental preparedness. And even for couples who are, you know, prepared, who planned it and everything like that, it's still difficult. And everybody's circumstances are different, so we can't judge people based on what they're saying. We don't know what this lady's story is and everything like that. One thing that resonated with me in that video was the lady with the curls. She was saying, like, in order for her to basically be okay, she needs time away from her kid. And I felt like she was talking to me. And it's not even like, oh, I'm a bad mom or I'm a bad person, but in order, at the end of the day, for me to be a good mom to my son, for Sade to be good, Sade needs time to herself. Like, obviously I don't get it as much as I would like, but at least once a month, and that's even a stretch, at least once a week, once every 2 weeks or something, I need time to just relax, scroll on social media as long as I want, take a nap if I want, watch a show if I want, whatever that I want to do, like, do nothing if I want. And I feel like my partner is aware of that now. Now he knows, like, I need time to breathe, I need time to relax, like, all of that I need in order to be a quote unquote good mother. And basically I'm saying, like, in order for me to be a good mom, in order for me to be a good person, period, I have to make sure that I am mentally okay. And for me to be mentally okay, I need time away from Kai. That doesn't mean I love him any less. That doesn't mean anything. I just need time to decompress, and that's just me. Maybe for somebody else it looks differently, you know, but that I definitely understand and I empathize with these ladies are saying. But yeah, let me know what your opinion is in the comment section down below. So this is the thing that I got from Target. This is it, y'all, and this was the same one on the shelf for $69.99. I should have went in and took a picture to show y'all. It was $69.99 and I got this for $35 online. And all I did at the same Target, I ordered it and went and got it today. I'm gonna catch y'all a little bit later. I've been yipping and yapping. I'm gonna go meet my mom real quick and head back to the house. So I'll catch y'all later. I'm gonna try some banana, Kai. Alright, so these were the bowls. This was one of the bowls I bought yesterday. Already washed, sterilized, and everything. I'm gonna try him with the banana flavor to see how he likes it. All right, so I'm just gonna take a few out to see if he likes it. If he likes it, I'll put more in a plate, but yeah. Oh, you don't have a bib. Here, use this paper towel that I was going to use to the ghetto. All right, do we like banana? Uh-oh, we like banana? We like banana. Yeah. We like banana. Yeah? All right. Another bite. Give me that plate. Thank you. Open. Look at the vlog. Tell them you like banana. Say, I like bananas. Yeah, exactly. Yes. Yes. We might love it with that reaction. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna try him because Kai, he will eat it for a little bit and then he don't want it anymore. So I'm gonna have him finish this and see. Alright, he's paying more attention to the camera than his food, so I'm gonna check y'all later. I'll give y'all an update. Say bye, aunties and uncles. Yeah, see them later. Yeah. Guys, we might need more because he's still eating. We might like this, so I'm gonna definitely add banana to my shopping list because he likes the banana one. Tomorrow I'll try him with a different flavor. He loves this. I have to FaceTime my mom so she can see. Yeah. Eat up. Yeah, he gets distracted by the camera, y'all, so later.